They said that it was one man's belief. If he didn't believe that he could do it in that game, the must win game against Zimbabwe, when we were 17 for 5, with 16 fours and 6 sixes, 175 not out, this man took us to the next stage. And if he didn't have the belief,
That's enough. That's enough.
so I'm only saying what you
You
did.
don't have to say it again and again.
World Cup winning captain, ladies and gentlemen, Kapil Paji.
Namaskar, good evening. First of all, let me do the formality from my 83 team. Thank you very much. You're doing all this for us. You're doing for yourself, but we feel partly for us also. The people forgotten, so giving us, rebirth of our side. Kabir, Ranveer, your team, Reliance, Vishnu, everybody, thank you very much. And to our time superhero, I would say, Kamla Hassan ji. We used to look up to them when we used to come to Chennai. Today, the first time I felt in my life, I wish I should have known Tamil. I honestly, because every language has their own sense of humor, and when you don't understand the language, then you just laugh, but you don't know what happened. And I felt, God, I'm not so intelligent to learn all the languages, but whatever Chika you said or your team said must be wonderful. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much.
He did say lovely things, Kapil Paji.
Okay, no, you're not going to speak a word. You've taken your time. Let other people also do that. And I love Chennai. If you can switch off your phone, then I can say many good things also. Love to have Chinnavida, is that? He taught me that. So I like to say all those things, I was, a previous life, I was South Indian. I believe myself like that. But thank you very much giving us so much honor, and you're doing the poster, which we don't understand what is exactly this poster release is. But it's wonderful to be here, must be very big in the movies. Uh, we played our cricket to best of our ability. You loved it. We are always indeed grateful for that. Only one joke I want to say, if you don't record, Shrikant, when he played in 81, 82 first series, he has a very peculiar habit. He always flick his eyes, always does that. And we all senior cricketers said to him, Madam Indira Gandhi was coming to meet us on the ground, and we said, Chika, you're not allowed to do all this winking. He has a habit of doing like that. So I, being the captain, I was, let me say now, you said it, I didn't said anything. I being the captain, and I was standing first me, then Sunil Gaskar opener, and he was next opener, so he was number 3. So I introduced, I said, this is our team, Sunil Gaskar. Now, doesn't matter who meet during our time, Sunil Gaskar, when somebody meet, they take just 30 seconds extra. So ma'am was like that. I will do it for you also. It stand here. Okay. So what happened with him, he was standing, and Madam Indira Gandhi was there, and I was there. I introduced, you stay here, and then Chika was there. So I was coming like that. Next to her, I said, Sunil Gavaskar, and she was saying, good luck, well done, you made us proud, this, that. And she was moving forward, but next was Shrikant. Now, 30 seconds, Shrikant stood like, he doesn't want to wink that, and suddenly, if somebody has that twitching thing there, so she took that time, and he's still standing straight. And finally, when it happened, he started. Right, left, center. And whole team, if you see the photograph watching Shrikant like this, Shrikant gone left, right, down, blah, blah, blah. And we as a team, we said in the dressing room, Shrikant, you can't wink to the Prime Minister of the country. What he said, promise, she started first. She started first because I think she also had, not to be physical, she started that, and that was Shrikant for us in the first series. Like, I always believe you have to have a character. These people make movies. In every movie, you have character. If we didn't have a character like him, the team would have gone bad. So we love to say that a great character and release the tension on the field, off the field, because you can't take him seriously. He will come back again and hit me, that's okay. But that's how it is. But before I go, I just want to say once again, thank you very much to all you boys. Behalf of my 83 team, we want to say thank you very much. You are giving us to relive our life again. And thank you, Chennai, giving us so much love and affection.
Kapil Pati, there's one thing that we need to do. A lot of us weren't even born when 83 happened, when the World Cup happened.
Am I that old?
You're not. You will never be old. You'll always be fresh, young, and amazing in our minds and hearts. But I think it is time that we all stand up and salute this legend.
No.
A standing ovation,
No.
please,
That's
from all
okay.
of us to you,
For these people.
for the love, and
Thank you
the
very
respect that we have for you. Thank you for doing what you did, Kapil Paji. We will never ever forget this. And you've taken us on this journey of highs, of successes, of happiness. May God bless you with everything that your heart desires.
Ranveer, what they say, I don't know how they say in Tamil, but how they say, ab rulaoge kya? I don't know, you want to make us cry? No. No, na. Thank you very much and good luck. Everybody, whoever's supporting us or not, it's a wonderful happen. Spend some time, a great feeling. Good luck to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, Kapil Paji, once again.